Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade your RAM. Start by powering down, unplugging, and grounding yourself to prevent static damage. Open the case, locate DIMM slots, and check your motherboard manual to confirm supported RAM type and maximum capacity. Carefully release existing modules, align new modules to the notch, and press until clips snap. Reassemble the case, plug in, and boot the system to confirm the new memory is recognized. Selecting the right RAM matters for performance and compatibility. First, identify whether your board supports DDR4 or DDR5 and the maximum capacity per slot. Decide between single module upgrades or matched kits for dual or quad channel performance. Opt for higher frequency and tighter timings if your workload benefits from lower latency, but balance cost and real-world gains. Keep receipts and check return policies in case of compatibility issues. When installing RAM, work on a stable surface and avoid carpet to reduce static risk. Remove or add modules one at a time, aligning the notch to the slot and pressing evenly until you hear a click from both clips. If using multiple modules, populate slots according to your motherboard manual for optimal channel configuration. After reinstalling the case, power on and enter BIOS or operating system to verify correct capacity and timings are detected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.